Once again guys, welcome to our channel. Well, India knows that booking any EMI device is not a cup of tea. So today I will be giving you the full tutorial that how to book any EMI device with no extensions and no hacks. Well, these devices are sold in flash sale, which means that it has a particular time in which we can book. But stocks are limited and each and every time it is out of stocks within a second. Don't worry guys, just follow my steps and the phone will be in your hand. Suppose in my case, I had to book Redmi 5A and last sale of this phone was at 4 p.m. on Flipkart and MI store. One thing to note guys that in reality the sale starts before 4 p.m. or the time which is given. So start these steps 2 minutes before the time given. And this whole process works on FCFS guys, which means first come first served. If you click the buy now button first, you will get the phone first. Now I am going to switch to the footage in which I booked the phone. Let me switch it. Yeah, as you can see guys, it's 3:58 and I was ready to grab the phone. The thing to do is that just go to the Flipkart and then to the display page of the phone and open the variant that you wanted to buy. Now don't wait for this notify me button to change into buy now button. Just go back and then again click on the variant. Again go back and again click on the variant. Continue until and unless you see the buy now button. Well guys, I missed it 2 times. But when you will be doing, please don't miss. As you can see guys, the buy now button is here and I hit the buy now button. And my order is in the process. You can see the time guys, it's only 3:59, not even 4. So this is what this shopping site follows to avoid those hacks and extensions which people does. As you can see guys, my order is placed. When I will open the site at Flipkart, in the section of my orders, let me show you. As you can see guys, my order has been placed and I have received the confirmation message also. Yeah, let me show you the confirmation message which I have received it now. This is the confirmation message guys, and this ensures that my order is placed. Well guys, following these steps you can book any of the Redmi device without any pain. This time also the phone was out of stock. Let me skip the video and show you. As you can see, 5 minutes have passed from 4 and when I opened the Flipkart app, I saw that phone was out of stock. As you can see, out of stock written red in color below the phone. So you can imagine how fast it works. So guys, I hope that you have liked the video. Do subscribe and share as much as you can so that everyone will be aware about the flash sale of MI phones. Thank you guys.